Hi, it's week 1 of interactive animation. I'm in module 1 and I'm going to go over the assignments for this week. Module 1 right here is a link to the 2 videos which basically go over all the information you'll need to be able to create something in Flash. You have 2 parts. You also have information as far as the book is concerned. 1.1, discussion 1.1, you'll be discussing about what is 2D animation and basically doing a bit of research and, giving your perspectives as far as what you feel 2D animation is. 1.2 is design a static layout. Here's an example of a static layout. This is created in Flash. This could go a number of ways. It could be a animated infographic. It could be a site map. It could be some type of a game. There's a number of things you could do with it. But this is created in Flash. 1.3 is the final project review and concept plan. So what you'll be doing is working on, an idea. And a really good idea when you're doing something like this is where you have some leeway, is to create something that you're passionate about. It makes it all that much easier. Here's a link to a site that has 2D animation, whether it's movies or it might be games. Also, a Word document is with a link to a 2D animation that somehow relates to your project. What I'm going to do now is do a little bit on the Flash interface and its history. Flash has been around for some time. All the animations that were done on the web up till fairly recently were all done in Flash. Flash was created in the mid-90s and by a company named Macromedia. It was the go-to software for any type of animation. And even websites could be built with it. One of the great features about Flash was that it had great consistency across browsers in really small file sizes. Today, with the advent of HTML5, HTML5 has within it JavaScript, and JavaScript is a scripting language that's pretty powerful and can create animation. So this kind of put Flash on the back burner. So what Flash did was rebranded itself, or almost reincarnated, you might say. But what they did was have Flash actually publish files, not only in their traditional SWF files or FLA files, but also to publish files in HTML5, which makes it relevant. So basically you're dealing with the same interface. And here's the interface. What you have is a timeline here with all your keyframes. Here's your layer. You might want to add a layer, and whatever layer is on top. Say if I have I'm putting in a keyframe, I'm inserting a keyframe. Say I come over to the toolbar over here and I use a rectangle. As soon as I select rectangle, you see the properties are opening up right here, like most software that you'd be familiar with. So if I put a triangle here and then I put a circle underneath it, the circle is, like most software I'm sure you're familiar with, the circle is not going to be visible completely, at least the part of the circle that's on the timeline below the square. So it's basically a timeline type software for animations, and here's all your tools. This isn't really, all the details you really need in order to successfully work this software are in the 2 videos that I showed earlier. So hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.